How to start a voice call on WhatsApp. Do you want to talk to someone using WhatsApp, but without activating the camera? Voice calling is the perfect solution. It allows you to talk to whoever you want, anywhere in the world, simply using your internet connection. In this video I explain step by step how to make a voice call on WhatsApp, even if you are a beginner. First, open the WhatsApp app by tapping the green icon with the white handset. Once inside, go to the list of recent chats and search for the person you want to call. If you don't find them immediately, tap the magnifying glass in the top right and type their name. Now that you are in the conversation, look at the top right. You will find two icons, one in the shape of a handset and one in the shape of a video camera. In this case, we are interested in the handset. It is exactly what is needed to start a voice call. Tap the icon, and in a few seconds your phone will start ringing, just like a normal call. If this is your first time using this feature, WhatsApp may ask you for permission to access the microphone. Accept without hesitation, otherwise the other person will not be able to hear you. When your contact answers, you can start talking normally. The quality of the call depends on your internet connection, but in most cases it is very good, even better than a traditional call. During the call you can do some useful things. For example, you can activate or deactivate the speakerphone, put the call on hold, or tap the video camera icon to switch to video calling, if you change your mind during the conversation. And when the call is over, just tap the red button to end it. Voice calls on WhatsApp are free, even if you are calling from abroad. All you need is an internet connection, via Wi-Fi or data network. It's a great way to stay in touch without spending a cent. If this tutorial was useful to you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.